Hey everyone, welcome back to the Workforce Workshop. I'm your host, Chiraz Kelly, and today we're tackling a topic that's been making waves in the workplace: silent quitting. Unlike traditional quitting, where employees leave their jobs, silent quitting happens when employees disengage without actually resigning. They show up, do the bare minimum, and mentally check out. But what does this mean for recruitment? In this video, we'll explore how silent quitting is forcing recruiters to rethink their strategies, spot disengagement early, and focus on selling purpose over paycheck to new hires. Let's get started. What is silent quitting? First, let's define what silent quitting is. Silent quitting refers to employees who remain in their jobs but have emotionally and mentally disengaged. They're not going above and beyond, they're not contributing to team morale, and they're often just doing the minimum required to get by. This phenomenon has gained attention in recent years, especially as remote work and hybrid models have made it easier for employees to disengage without being noticed. Silent quitting isn't just bad for productivity, it's also a red flag for organizational culture and employee satisfaction. Why silent quitting matters for recruitment? Silent quitting has a ripple effect on recruitment. When employees disengage, it creates gaps in productivity, lowers team morale, and increases the workload for others. This often leads to higher turnover, as engaged employees may leave due to burnout or frustration. For recruiters, this means they're not just filling vacancies, they're also dealing with the fallout of disengagement. Companies with high levels of silent quitting may struggle to attract top talent, as word spreads about poor workplace culture. In short, silent quitting forces recruiters to think beyond just hiring. They need to focus on retention and engagement from day one. How silent quitting is changing recruitment strategies. Silent quitting is pushing recruiters to adopt a retention-first approach. Here's how it's changing the game. 1. Spotting disengagement early. Recruiters are now working closely with managers to identify signs of disengagement, such as decreased productivity, lack of participation in meetings, or a decline in enthusiasm. Early intervention can help re-engage employees before they fully check out. 2. Selling purpose over paycheck. Today's candidates, especially younger generations, are looking for more than just a paycheck. They want to work for companies with a clear mission, values, and a sense of purpose. Recruiters are now emphasizing these aspects during the hiring process to attract candidates who are more likely to stay engaged. 3. Focusing on career development. Employees are more likely to stay engaged if they see a future with the company. Recruiters are highlighting opportunities for growth, training, and advancement to attract candidates who are invested in their long-term career. 4. Improving onboarding. A strong onboarding process can set the tone for an employee's entire tenure. Recruiters are ensuring that new hires feel welcomed, supported, and aligned with the company's culture from day one. 5. Building a feedback culture. Regular feedback and open communication are key to keeping employees engaged. Recruiters are encouraging companies to create a culture where employees feel heard and valued. The role of employer branding. Silent quitting has also put a spotlight on employer branding. Companies with a reputation for poor management, lack of work-life balance, or toxic cultures are more likely to experience silent quitting. To combat this, recruiters are helping companies build a strong employer brand that highlights their commitment to employee well-being, diversity, and inclusion. This includes showcasing employee testimonials, sharing stories of career growth, and promoting a positive workplace culture. A strong employer brand not only attracts top talent but also helps retain employees by fostering a sense of pride and belonging. How recruiters can spot disengagement early. One of the keys to addressing silent quitting is spotting disengagement early. Here are some strategies recruiters are using. 1. Regular check-ins. Encourage managers to have regular one-on-one meetings with their team members to discuss their goals, challenges, and overall satisfaction. 2. Employee surveys. Conduct anonymous surveys to gauge employee morale and identify areas for improvement. 3. Monitoring performance metrics. Keep an eye on key performance indicators, KPIs, like productivity, attendance, and participation in team activities. 4. Encouraging open communication. Create a culture where employees feel comfortable sharing their concerns and feedback without fear of retaliation. 5. Providing support. Offer resources like mental health support, career coaching, and flexible work arrangements to help employees feel valued and supported. Selling purpose over paycheck. In today's job market, candidates are looking for more than just a competitive salary. They want to work for companies that align with their values and offer a sense of purpose. Recruiters are now focusing on selling the why behind the job. This includes highlighting the company's mission and impact, showcasing opportunities for employees to make a difference, emphasizing the company's commitment to social responsibility and sustainability. By appealing to candidates' desire for purpose, recruiters can attract employees who are more likely to stay engaged and committed. The future of recruitment in a silent quitting era. As we look ahead, silent quitting will continue to shape recruitment strategies. Here's what we can expect. 1. Greater focus on retention. Companies will invest more in retention strategies, from employee engagement programs to career development opportunities. 2. Enhanced onboarding. Onboarding processes will become more personalized and comprehensive to ensure new hires feel connected and supported. 3. Data-driven recruitment. Recruiters will use data and analytics to identify trends in employee engagement and predict potential disengagement. 4. Stronger employer brands. Companies will prioritize building and maintaining a positive employer brand to attract and retain top talent. 5. Emphasis on mental health. Employee well-being will take center stage, with companies offering more resources and support for mental health. How candidates can avoid silent quitting. If you're a candidate, here's how you can avoid falling into the silent quitting trap. 1. Choose the right company. Research potential employers to ensure their values and culture align with your own. 2. Set clear goals. Define what success looks like for you and communicate your goals with your manager. 3. Seek feedback. Regularly ask for feedback and use it to grow and improve in your role. 4. Stay engaged. Take advantage of opportunities for learning, networking, and career development. 5. Speak up. If you're feeling disengaged, don't be afraid to voice your concerns and seek support. And there you have it. The impact of silent quitting on recruitment and how it's forcing recruiters to rethink their strategies. From spotting disengagement early to selling purpose over paycheck, the focus is shifting toward creating workplaces where employees feel valued, engaged, and motivated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Workforce Workshop, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, drop a comment below, let me know your thoughts on silent quitting or share your experiences with disengagement and retention strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.